Hey girls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick get ready with me for my work. Right now it's 9:50 a.m. and I have to work at 11, so I'm just going to be doing my makeup. I already had breakfast and I brushed my teeth and everything, so it's just going to be my makeup. So let's get started. Notice I have like a little thingy like in my shirt. It's not dirty because it just came out of the wash. I'm gonna start with the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. A couple of days ago I went to a tanning bed for like the third time in my life, I think. Last time I went is like 2 years ago, and that's because like tanning beds are like super bad for your skin, obviously. So I actually like don't want to do it. I don't want to go, but I am so pale. It's just like hurting my eyes whenever I'm like wearing stuff that reveals my skin. The sun is coming out and I feel like whenever I wear like shirts like these, I'm so pale and I just think it's so ugly. And then I also have a friend who's like so tan, it's like unfair that I look even whiter, and it's just ugh. And then I was trying to get into self-tanning. By the way, I'm gonna be using the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury in the shade for medium. But I was trying to get into like self-tanning, but honestly it just doesn't last. I don't know what it is, and maybe I should just like try it again because I don't like do it every week, or maybe like that's also why. But I don't know, I like self-tanning but I don't. And I also think like the waiting before it's like completely developed just takes me too long, and sleeping in it, I don't like sleeping in it. And I know you have like the 1 hour express self-tan, but everyone that uses 1 hour express self-tan like keeps it on for 4 hours to get it like extra tan. So I will still have to like wear it for 4 hours, which is like super long because it's just like inconvenient. But I really was like planning on going for the self tan, but now recently my skin has just been really bad. It's like, I know I cannot complain if I look at people with like real acne, but it's honestly bad. Like for what I'm like used to, my skin, it looks horrific. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like my forehead is like completely covered in pimples. Like, this is what my forehead looks like. Like, honestly, fucking YOLO that I'm showing you guys this. Like my chin and like here, it's just bad. Do you think my chin is because my boyfriend has like a goatee? Before I'm gonna continue, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer in the shade 5 Medium. But yeah, my boyfriend has a goatee, so I feel like kissing him, it like rubs my chin and like fucks up the barrier. So I think that's why I have like acne on my chin. But honestly, my chin acne doesn't even bother me that much. So I don't know if it's like fungal acne or closed comedones. I don't know which one of the two. I think I used to have fungal acne and it's closed comedones right now, but I'm not sure. Anyone watching this has knowledge about like skin, let me know, because I don't know what to do. I have like oily-ish skin, especially like in my T-zone. I started blending it out, but before we're gonna blend it out, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using my Madison Beer palette, and I'm using this shade right here. It's like a cool tone brown, and I'm filling my brows in with that because I noticed that it is less like harsh than the black one. Because my hair is like really dark, but it's not black. And I feel like this like fills them in nicely, but it doesn't make them like really harsh. Okay, now I'm gonna blend out my concealer with a brush. But yeah, I don't know if it's like fungal or closed comedones. And I used to have this trick where I used Head and Shoulders as like a mask on my forehead. That would like remove all the pimples like immediately. So I think I'm gonna try that out. But I'm a bit scared because I've read somewhere, or I've maybe seen it on TikTok, that it could make it worse. Okay, that is my... oh, I forgot this. Yeah, but I heard it could make it worse, so I'm a bit scared, but you know, I'm gonna try it anyway because it already sucks. So if it gets a little bit worse, who gives a fuck? I'm gonna use my contour wand from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Medium Deep. I think that maybe my acne is like, it has to do with my hormones. Because when I was on the pill, my skin was super clear and I didn't have any trouble with like breakouts. And ever since I stopped the pill, it just, skin just, you know, it wasn't great. But ever since like a little while, since like a couple weeks, my forehead is just like, it's so bad. And it hasn't been so bad in a really long time. And I'm literally like trying everything. I'm using the Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. I literally don't know what's causing it, if it's not like hormonal, because I'm eating very clean. I'm like not eating a lot of sugar anymore. Like sometimes I have a little snack. Using my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, I'm like trying to become like healthier. As in like, I'm working out again. I used to like play a lot of sports, and I was like playing sports like at least like 4 times a week. And when I quit soccer, I just quit everything really, and I didn't play sports anymore. So I went from like sporting almost every day to like not anymore. And not because I didn't like sports, but I just didn't have something like a sport that I liked. I don't like going to the gym. I think the gym is like super boring and I just can't get myself to go to the gym. And soccer, I just didn't like soccer anymore. I was doing that for super long, and then I don't know, teams got switched up. I had an operation on my knee, so my like full recovery took like 2 years or something. I'm using the what is this, Glow Sculpt Mauve Glow Sculpt, but my full recovery took like 2 years for it to be like fully okay. And in the meantime, you know, little by little, I could go to soccer practice again, but only participate in like the warm-up, and then I could do the exercises, but I couldn't, you know, participate in like the little match games or anything like that. So I just got bad. Like I used to be good at playing soccer, and if you just don't play it for such a long time, you just get bad. It's just like, I'm not super bad at soccer anymore, but I wasn't as good as I was. And if there's something that I don't like, is not being good at something. So, you know, my team fell apart. It was just not it, so I quit. I'm gonna use my highlighting wand from Charlotte Tilbury, and yeah, I was just like looking for a sport that I would like. I used to always play, well, not play, I used to do figure skating when I was little. Did like competitive figure skating, and I really want to do that again, but it's like all the way in Amsterdam, and last time when I wanted to like do it, it was full and it just wasn't working with me. Like nothing worked in my favor, so I didn't do that. Now I'm dancing 3 times a week, and I'm doing Pilates. I thought that I wouldn't like doing Pilates. I'm gonna be doing my setting spray with the Charlotte Tilbury one. I really thought that I wasn't gonna like doing Pilates because it's kind of like working out in the gym, but it's not. It's like really different, and I really enjoy doing it. And also, whenever I do Pilates, I do really feel like pain in my body, and it's like you're gonna look snatched type of pain, you know? So I don't know, it's just also like aesthetic. I know it's like a trend, you know, going to Pilates, and that's why a lot of people do it. But that honestly makes it more fun, you know? Putting on a cute like Pilates outfit, you know, going there with your friends and taking aesthetic pictures, and it just makes it a lot more fun, to be honest. I'm gonna curl my lashes. So that's what I'm doing like sports wise right now. I would love to play even more sports. I'm thinking about doing kickbox again. Also because my stepdad has like his own kickboxing school, so that is just easy for me to do. The only thing that I want to get in my system even more is like do Pilates in the morning just at home, because I did like the move with Nicole like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and that one was actually like really tough. And I feel like if I would do that every morning, that would like really make a difference. But I live in a house full. Like I don't live on my own yet. So even though if I would wake up like really early in the morning, there always is someone gonna be awake. And you know, it's just like not really practical. But yeah, I don't know, it's just like a vibe to be healthy, and it just also feels good eating healthy and drinking healthy and everything. Does anyone else like struggle with like lashes clogging up in their mascara wand? Like that, is that normal? I don't know if you can see. That is not normal. I also just really need to like buy a new lash curler, because this one I'm using is done. Like it is like, the fact that I'm still using that is just like a little crazy, even almost like scary. But I keep forgetting that I need to buy a new one. I do feel prettier now that I went to the tanning bed. I don't know, in my like camera screen I still look really pale, but in real life it's not that bad. And my flawless filter finally matches my neck and everything without having to bronze everything. Oh, by the way, I used the mascara from Charlotte Tilbury, and now I'm going to be using the Lip Cheat lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to quickly put on some perfume. This is my all-time favorite. I also put it in my February favorites video. I don't know if you guys checked that one out. If you haven't, it's linked there, I think. I show there all my favorites of last month. This one is not going to be just for that one. Oh my god. Hope that's gonna dry. Okay, so I have a really big gap because one of my clients couldn't make it. So I have one client, then I have like a gap for like 3 hours, and then I have another client. But I'm just gonna take you guys along in how I do my nails. My nails aren't that bad and grown out yet, but because I'm free and I have to wait there anyway, I'm just gonna take you guys along and show you guys how I do my nails. And yeah, I think that would be fun to show you guys the process in doing my nails. By now I have like just a regular pinkish biab. We're either just gonna do that again or we're gonna add a fringe, because I became a basic girly. I used to be long nails, like in between almond and stiletto, and then with like nail art 3D designs, but I don't know, I kind of switched to being a basic girl. But yeah. Hey guys, welcome in my salon. I just finished doing my client and it's right now 47 p.m. So that means I have 2 hours and 45 minutes to do my own nails. This is the state of my nails right now. They look bad, okay? So I think I was debating on keeping them long. I'm still debating. I don't know if I want to just let them grow out and go almond, or if I'm just gonna go short again with a fringe. I'm gonna check some inspo. Like, I'm kind of thinking this, even though I don't really have like a long nail bed, so it's not gonna be looking like this, but that type of inspo, like, it is really nice though. Square with like a fringe, because I don't like them to be round or almond when they're short. Like this, I think I don't like that. I know I don't like that. Okay, this is the bit that I'm using, and I'm gonna start with just taking off some of the length. I filed them down, so now they're short again, and I filed away any type of air. I didn't have much air though, which I really like about biab. And now I'm going to be using a sanding band. I'm first going to push back my cuticles, and then with my sanding bands I'm gonna just like take off any oil off of my nail and any dirt. And then for my sanding bands I use a medium coarse, it's 150. I don't know why it's like these. And I'm gonna clean up all the gunk. Okay, now I'm gonna cut away my cuticles. Too many letters of this one we can't pronounce. I am hungry. Okay, I'm gonna prep, and for nail prep I use Mia Secret. I have this one. This is my dehydrator. This is my primer, my blonde, and they're both Mia Secret. Okay, I am done with this hand too. This one is way more a disaster than this one because I am right-handed. Most of the time when I have to do this hand, I'm already not feeling like do my nails anymore. I just do it quick and I don't focus on how it looks and everything. So this one always stays really good. This one is always like, ugh. I use the one from Galaxy, these. I'm gonna add my primer. I'm gonna take a bead and place it in my cuticle. I did all fingers on this hand, and I'm now just like popping it in like one more time so that everything is just like dry. I'm debating if I'm gonna do a French tip or not. I have an hour and 45 minutes left, so I have like time enough to do it. I'm gonna save myself the misery of doing French tips with my left hand, so I'm just gonna go boring. When this hand is done, I'm gonna be doing my right hand, and I'm just gonna try one French tip if I'm feeling like it. And if I like it, I'm gonna be doing French, but I don't think so. Okay, I am finished. I probably have like these imprints for my glasses, but I ended up not doing French because my client was able to get here earlier, so I'm done now, which is nice. But yeah, because she came earlier, I didn't have time for French, so this is the end result. So yeah, I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my nail content or anything else, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.